A hot bet in craps is a one-roll bet based on any specific combination of the dice. For example, if you wanted to hop the nines and you wanted to hop the nines 5-4, that they'll roll 5-4, you'd throw $1 or $5 or whatever amount you wanted to bet out onto the layout, and you'd say 54 hop. So you're betting that the dice will roll 5-4. That is a 15-to-1 payoff on whatever you bet. If you wanted to bet a hard 8 hop, for example, then you're betting that the dice will roll 4-4. Because there's only one way the hard 8 can roll with both dice on the number 4, that pays 30-to-1. Back on that 5-4 bet, that 54, the dice can roll with a green die here and the red die 5-4, or it can roll with a red die on the 5 and the green die on the 4, 5-4. So there are two ways to roll the 5-4-9 on the dice, but there's only one way to roll the 44. That's the difference in the payout on the hop bets. So hop bets can pay 15-to-1 based on whether or not they're an easy way rolling, or 30-to-1 if they're a hard way rolling. Again, hop bets are not displayed on the layout on every casino layout. Sometimes they're not displayed at all. Sometimes they'll be displayed on the layout and they'll mark them up there. Some casinos that don't have them displayed on the layout won't even book the bet. They'll just say no bet and return their money to you. But most of the time, they'll book the bet for you.
So if you have not been on a craps cruise, or maybe you have been on a craps cruise, book your next one. Okay, go on to URComp, go in the My Offers section and click on Meetups, and you will find the craps cruise on there.